I was in a car wreck. Like, I got hit head on. Like, I got hit head on in 2016. So.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah.
So prior to that, none of these, never anything wrong. So now, okay. Jeez.
Yeah.
How often are the headaches?
It just depends. Like, if I lived in Ohio before here, and I've always like gone to the chiropractor since then. So if I go, then I don't have issues. So normally, if I haven't gone in like 3 or 4 months, then I'll start getting the headaches again.
Okay. On a day-to-day, just how do you feel? What do you feel?
I'm fine. I mean, I work all the time, so it doesn't like keep me from doing anything.
Okay. Yeah, I imagine as an RN, you're saying pretty busy. That's for sure. Pretty darn busy. Okay. Any issues with the range of motion, movements?
Nope.
Okay, so no issues with any of that, which is a good thing. How long ago was it since you last adjusted? Yearish?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it was like last April. So,
okay.
Yeah.
It's about a hot minute then.
Yeah.
Okay. Not bad. Right leg is a tiny bit shorter than the left one. This right here, just a little bit raised on the left side compared to the right there. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. A little bit of tightness in the neck, but no pain with any of that, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Even through here, and a little bit on here. Okay. So it's at like upper lumbar, lower thoracic, just a little tight to there. But no pain with any of this, right? Okay.
Yeah, it's like a little tender right there.
In through here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Start with the massage gun first. Start right up top here. There we go. I can tell it's been it's been about a year. Take a deep breath in and out. do a little bit of soft tissue work along the traps. This is a little bit tight here.
You wouldn't know that I take a muscle relaxer 3 times a day.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
It's worse if I don't.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised. I mean, I'm...
It won't work out.
Yeah, right? Holy crap.
So I always get a deep tissue massage when I go.
Yeah, well, I don't... It's what you need. A regular massage to do anything for you. Left right here. So literally when I'm doing that, originally right in the beginning, lumbar spine kind of just moved as a unit back and forth, and I wasn't really getting movement at each individual level. Now we're looking at just a little bit right in here. Not much of, it's like one on top of the other, just is sticking a little bit there. Leg length, perfect.
It felt really good, like right underneath here. I think it was so tight, like right on like the base of my head.
Good. So this first one you felt more just neck.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, it just felt like a release, I think.
Okay. Never had this done before, right?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna sit you up.
Oh man, I felt it all the way down to my hips.
Goodness. There we go. See, that first one had to just unlock.
Yeah, I know. I felt it all in my neck the first time, and I literally felt it all the way down to my hips this time.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that felt good. Oh, just so good.
Good. Get everything nice and loosened up. How you feeling?
Good.
Okay. Yeah, let me have you stand up. Notice the difference?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Yeah, a little bit tender.
Oh yeah, this.
I felt before like my hips were just like getting stuck. I was like, oh my gosh, if I could just pop my hips, I would feel so much better, like at work and stuff. But yeah, it feels a lot better for sure.
Good.
Yeah, it feels good.
This is how you need to be feeling all the time.
I know.